Welcome to Mr. Kenyon's studio. In this video, we're going to take a basic block chord in the left hand and change it up to make an accompaniment pattern. So I'm going to show you how to do 3 different accompaniment patterns you can do in the left hand for the piano to make it more interesting. And I'm going to use the song Lavender Blue as an example, which is in 3/4. So the principles I teach you in this video can apply to any song that's in 3/4. I'm going to demonstrate first, and then I'll show you how to do it. So here's Lavender Blue straight up. Okay, that's just the first half. I'm going to stop there. Now with the waltz bass pattern. This would be with an arpeggio pattern. And this would be with a different kind of arpeggio pattern. Bass, except it's in 3/4. So this song is in 3/4, so those are a couple of different 3/4 patterns you can use. So those are basic kind of patterns you can use for the left hand. But when you get better at the piano, you can understand the chord structure and how that there's many different ways to play the chord. Then you can improvise an accompaniment that's more like this. So there are 3 chords in this song: C, F, and G7, or 1, 4, and 5, 7. So here's straight up first with block chords. The first accompaniment pattern that I do is the waltz bass. So you play the bass note first, and then the upper 2 notes of the chord twice. And then the second accompaniment pattern is the first arpeggio pattern. You go bottom, middle, top, middle, top, middle, top. Sorry, I said that wrong. It's bottom, middle, top, middle, top, middle. And then the last pattern is like an Alberti bass. You're alternating these middle and top. It's the opposite of the first pattern, opposite of the first arpeggio pattern. So it goes bottom, top, middle, top, middle, top. So those are the 3 patterns that you can use, and this works for any song that's in 3/4. Thank you for watching. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe, and hopefully there will be more videos that you can benefit from. And happy practicing!